Hi, I'm Albert Dros. People often ask me what focal lengths are the best for landscape photography. Well, my personal favorites, and that doesn't mean that they're the best because they are different for everyone, but I really like to shoot very wide and get like these immersive shots with a big foreground and very spectacular, very wide, close to the ground. I really like to shoot that. So I like to shoot 12mm, 14, 16mm, really those wide angle shots. I also like to shoot landscapes very far away. So both of these focal lengths are very challenging. I like a challenge. So I like to shoot at 400 or 300mm very far and see something in the distance and bring it close with a very long lens. And shooting a landscape at 400mm, that's not easy, that's difficult. Challenging shots, either very wide or very far away, are my favorites, but doesn't mean they should be your favorites. There's no best focal length, it all depends on what you like to shoot. So in my case I always bring my wide angle, in this case the 16-35 here in Scotland. Then I have a mid-range lens, the 24-70, and then the 100-400 because I want to be able to zoom in on those mountain peaks and on those details in the background. Now I also brought my macro lens, my 90mm macro, just to take some details of maybe some autumn colors, those 4 lenses. But it depends, sometimes I also bring a specific lens for astrophotography, like a 14 1.8, 24 1.4, if I'm going to shoot a lot of night stuff. But here in Scotland I already knew I was not going to do that, so I didn't bring it. So it kind of depends where I'm going, but I always bring the wide angle, mid-range and big telephoto. Hope you liked the video. If you want to know more about my signature Parka Pro jacket, check the link in the description below. If you have any questions, put them in the comments, like, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.
Haukland Photographer's Clothing.